Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors to add another vehicle to the YouTube page. 2016. This is a Chevy 3500 gas 4x4 utility body. A lot of goodies are on the inside of this thing. Johnny's going to go down it. One owner, only 68,000 miles again. Just a really, really nice truck that we got in here. Built-in trailer tow trim, AM/FM stereo. It's got the MyLink system in it, power windows, power locks, keyless. A lot of goodies on the inside. OnStar. You're gonna have get it right here, John. It's got Bluetooth. It's also going to have a lot to do with the it's got the built-in Wi-Fi as well. You hook up through your phone carrier and stuff like that. It's really neat. Knapheide body on the back. It's a 9-foot with a slider. The top here slides all the way back, and it's going to go about halfway flush to the center of the utility box. Locks there. LED lighting around the back. Really nice 10-ply tires wrapped all the way around it. Probably 90% tires, brand new tires on the front, probably 90 in the rear. So all 6 tires are in really good shape. Front are new, rears are well above average, and they are the 10-ply. No rips or tears in the seats. Just a really, really nice, clean truck that we have here. Again, it is a 4x4 6.0 gas. It is going to be the 6.0 liter, which I think is the best package that's out there because it's the proven package. That motor's been around forever. Now down at our shop at the Truck South Fleet Repair that we do, all your servicing is done down there. They put new air cleaners in everything, new wipers on everything. All fluids are checked and serviced. Front differentials are checked. Four-wheel drive system's checked. Transmission, rear end, etc. If it needs changed, they changed it. So we'd love to hear from you. If you got any questions on this unit, please give me a call at 919-661-2886. Ask for me, ask for Johnny, or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.